Wow. Let me tell you something. Hey, it's Big Jeff from bigjeffaudio.com. Also B2 Audio USA, talking about a 3-inch mid-range. Great for A-pillars, factory doors like BMWs, Mercedes, you name it. Look at this, 1.5 inches thick. It's the RAGE3MR. Yes, a little bit pricey, $159.95 a set, but the sound out of these is incredible. 80 watts RMS, 6 ohm. Why 6 ohm? Well, usually they're doing them in like a tri setup, tweeter, mid-range, mid-bass, or people are doing them in like a Bose system or a BMW system, things like that. Really cool, 87.3 dB. Now, I'm reading specs out the box. Let me see here. 200 to 18 kilohertz. Whoa, 200 to 18 kilohertz. 200. I can't wait to hear this thing. Man, tiny, nice box. These are gonna sound cool. So I'm just gonna get the Big Jeff cam.
Big Jeff cam
Big Jeff in the
activated.
house. I'm not even gonna use any bass blocker. Wow. Hold on, let me get something started. All right, back over here. Let me tell you something. 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 That right there, my friend, was incredible all the way down. I was playing it off of a 800 by 4. It's probably really only 70 watts or so. I got that thing hot. I can even smell it, but that thing was loud. Wow, this thing is awesome. Look at this. I'm gonna get a close up. Get the Big Jeff cam. It's like a little mini speaker, but man, that thing is killer. Look at this thing. Really cool. Okay, so this is the RAGE3MR for you guys doing A-pillars or doors or kick panels. This is what you need. 2 in a set, pretty simple. This is back in the bag. Yes, $159.95, but you heard the output out of that. Incredible amount of mid-range and everything. Really, really cool. So these are in stock right now, RAGE3MRs, right? If you need them, check them out. We'll put a link in it. Hey, I'm Big Jeff from bigjeffaudio.com. RAGE3MRs, 3 inches, baby. These are the bomb. I'll see you on the next one.